All right, today we're going to bring you LED lights for your monitor, and this is perfect for anybody that's going to be streaming or gaming and you want to go with the atmosphere. This is a perfect lighting way. So what you get the two tubes with the LED lights. The LEDs that surround the monitor itself, you could cut them, measure them yourself, and they also give you the zip ties and the double-sided tape so you can actually plug them in. USB to connect to the actual power source, which is going to be here. This is a control module that you can change different features. We're going to test it out tonight. And also they give you manuals in the base too. And they give you manuals too, so you can set these up. So we're going to set them up today and see how well they look in our monitor. And we're going to turn off the lights. We're going to play at night. We're going to game and see how it works with this. So let's go ahead and set it up and see how it looks. We're going to go ahead and plug this in, and the way I want to make sure it hangs in here so I can always have control of it. You can do that. Have this hang in the back. This is the back of the monitor. Make sure you take out the dust, and we're going to start with the actual LED lights. The way it goes here all the way around, and then you could cut this excess. There, I got it all set up here, squared away. So we have the audio when you're playing games and you're streaming, or you want to make sure the effect is beautiful at night, especially around your behind your monitor. Like you say, you can actually get the sticks out. Test 1, 2, 3. Test 1, 2, 3. And you can hide them as much as you want and light up on back of the effects. The statics look great with the actual keyboard and mouse. They light up the whole entire room in here, making it look nice and beautiful. Now, if you're tired of just watching the same statics of the light, you can always change it to different formats. And these are great. You can actually go into the application. I'm gonna show you guys how to change it too. So we're gonna do that right now in a bit. But you could change it to different modes. You could change it, keep going. It has hundreds of different modes, multiple different settings that you can set up on this. And right now it's just going through one effect through one bar to the other bar. And we're gonna continue to change them. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and show you guys a couple of things that you can do on a program, all right? You're gonna need to download first the application. Once you download the application, you're able to set up whatever colors you want. Right now we have dimming, and right now we could set up, and it tells you it's connected on the bottom, if you can see. We could do a music and interaction, which right now we currently are. We could change it to different voices, or we could do keyboard effects. In recommended modes, they have multiple modes. We're going to turn one of them on, and you're going to see all around the actual system how it goes into different effects right now. The setup was very simple. Download the application was even better. You could even program your own, and I'm going to put this one in here so you guys can see the floating. Fireworks, let's do the fireworks. And twinkles. There you go. So you can see it behind the monitor. It's an effect that it does very well. You could turn off certain lights if you want. You could turn off the one of the left one or the right one. You could turn off the right too. You guys can see that. And then you could turn off the center, maybe the whole monitor itself. And then we could just go back to synchronization. You could lower it down. I like this one. I'm just going to keep this one pretty much how I like. You could do the microphone. It does pick up a microphone, or you could do computer. So meaning that if you're watching something or playing something, it's going to go with the computer noise, even the effects, all right? You can do that. You can change different modes if you want, and other recommendations that they have. So to turn it off, you could just turn it off from here too, and so forth. So very simple, easy to use. I hope you guys enjoyed the video.